space, and it's a good balance of like having fun and having the free time to like do whatever you want. So yeah, I think for people looking for like a uni life that you can decide, right, like what you want to do, this kind of thing.
Do you like the facilities?
We have a lot of like unique facilities like the tennis court. Yeah. So,
Alright, could you perhaps explain like the mascot?
I'm supposed to be an eagle. I took off the head because it's quite hot right now.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Oh, you got the head! Maybe you could give us 3 reasons why.
The whole opportunity, enjoy many CCAs. It's nearby many convenient locations like down, Whitehead, and many more. The third one, there are a lot of cute girls and guys here like this place.
Why is the mascot called what's the mascot called again?
Symbolizes a hall of opportunity.
Symbolizes.
A hall of opportunity.
Oh. 밑에 보이시는 게 유니버시티 타운이고요. 저 건물 사이로 이쪽에 보이는 게 이제 NUS 호스피탈. You can introduce yourself first.
I'm Michelle, year 1 chemistry major, and I'm representing NUSC. So NUSC is an honors college, and it's both an academic program and a residential program. And that's pretty much it. We pride ourselves on interdisciplinary learning, and we have students from all across the world and from many different majors.
Alright,
Yeah.
approximately like 400 students?
400 to 500.
500.
My batch is 400.
Right. So you guys all stay in...
Most of them freshmen. Year 1 stay at Cinnamon College.
Right.
While the rest of them stay at West Bay. So it's the Yale NUS side.
Because they're graduating, right? So they have more space for NUS college students now?
Correct,
Yeah.
correct. They're slowly transitioning, but we haven't ironed out the details.
What's the difference between NUS college and
other?
USP then?
I feel that, at least for as a student, the special thing about NUS College is that we're also able to tap into Yale NUS College's interest groups. And so let's say I want to join all of their niche interest groups, I can just go ahead and join with them. I think it's quite distinct from Yale NUS College because they have their own set of majors, whereas for NUS College we complement NUS's program
Right.
quite well. Yeah.
But you guys have your own electives? Like residential electives?
It's more like common core curriculums that we
Right.
need to take.
So what kind of modules are we talking about?
For instance, one of the core curriculum kind of things is called global narratives. So it's a module that teaches you everything from like written literature to stuff from Plato to actually watch Crash Landing on You, the
Right.
Korean drama.
Yeah.
We actually went and analyzed it and talked about how this reflects, whether it reflects the politics of North and South Korea well or not.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh.
And I don't think that I would have gotten these sort of experiences if
Right.
I weren't from NUS College. And
Because I know it's interdisciplinary, so you can move majors freely, right? During the first.
you will need to write in, yeah, but it's
Yeah.
quite free.
Okay. Do you have any ideas on like continuing chemistry or?
Actually, I'm taking linguistics right now, like as a minor or a second major. I haven't.
Yeah, you're still in year 1, so
ironed out
yeah.
yet. I have a lot of time to figure it out, but I think that you do have the freedom to study whatever you want.
Right.
And, it seems at first it seems quite random. Why will a chemistry student ever need linguistics in
Right,
life?
right.
But I think that studying these things, studying very random things, helps me learn more about the world. And I think that's what your goal is supposed to be in university.
Right.
Discover more about yourself and the world out there.
Okay. Yeah, I think it definitely makes it easier than the like traditional NUS system
Yeah.
where you have to do like majors and minors. I know there's like a separate process for getting selected to NUS college, right? Do you have any tips for like future applicants? when considering NUS College?
You know, a lot of people say that, you know, grades are very important.
Yeah.
And while they are definitely a consideration, I think that it's more important to have passion for things, you know, to have the courage to pursue things that you don't necessarily think are made for you, you know. It's
Right.
stepping outside of your comfort zone and realizing that, oh, I can actually do a lot of things. I'm actually quite capable of things. And I think that this is what they are looking for, you know, people who have passion for things and people
Right.
who want to pursue that passion.
Yeah. So any last words for
Whoever
Yes,
is applying, I hope, because I'm also involved in the orientation committee, so I hope that y'all will enjoy what we have planned and hope that y'all are excited for it because, you know, we put in a lot of effort to show you what NUS is like.